A little birdie told me it's time to go wild.
Hi friends, my name is Chelsea and I'm an animal interpreter here at the Memphis Zoo. Today, we're joined by our partners at Avian Behavior International, and they are sharing with us their bird, Forrest the white-necked raven. Now behind me, Forrest is going to be moving in, out, and around the stage with his trainer doing some natural behaviors. Now, have you ever seen a raven or a crow outside? Well, ravens actually aren't so different from us. They're very social, highly intelligent, and play an important role in their ecosystem. And there are things that we can do to make sure they stay healthy in the wild. Let's find out how.
While white-necked ravens like Forrest are native to the southeastern coast of Africa, ravens and their cousins can be found almost everywhere in the world, just like humans. Ravens are often found in pairs or small family groups, but they also like to spend time in big groups. Are you close with your family? Do you have a trusted friend? Ravens, just like us, enjoy spending time with those that they know. They also take their time leaving home. Some ravens will spread their wings and find a new home after a few months with their parents, while others will stay for years. Having a balanced diet is important for a raven's health. Do you eat just one thing, or do you prefer to have something different for every meal? Ravens will eat anything from fruit to vegetables and bugs to mice. They're what we call omnivores because they nom-nom on plants and meat, and we're omnivores too by nature. What sets ravens apart from other animals is their intelligence. Social animals think more about their actions in order to get along with one another. This means that ravens aren't so dissimilar to us in the brain department. Researchers in California that were checking on the nests of endangered shorebirds noticed that the native ravens would wait for the researchers to find a nest, and once they left, the ravens would take advantage and eat the egg. They got the researchers to do the food finding for them. By putting the eggs in the stump, Forrest also displays his caching behavior. Caching is what ravens do when they want to save some leftovers for later. They hide it and then remember to come back for it. Forrest is pretty amazing, isn't he?
Now, in the past, you might have found ravens in open plains or out in forests, but with increasing human development, these ravens, with their intelligence and adaptability, have had to learn how to live around humans and in urban environments like cities.
Despite this, there are limits to the flexibility of the raven, and they need you to help them stick around. Like we talked about, ravens eat a wide variety of foods, which means they are important in their home. By eating bugs, mice, and even dead things, they make sure their home is clean and disease-free. They also enjoy fruits and seeds, which means they're seed dispersers. Seed dispersers eat fruit or seeds and then poop them back out. Because the seeds are in that nice fertilizer packet, a new plant can grow easily. Without ravens, a lot of plants would go uneaten and therefore unplanted. In order to keep doing their job, ravens will need a helping hand and wing from humans, including you. The simplest way to help ravens and other wildlife is to tell people about them. Share what you learned today with your friends and family. The more people that know how awesome ravens are, the better. You can also go out on nature walks. While you might not see a raven, you'll see lots of other cool animals, no matter where you live. Make sure to respect nature by appreciating it from afar, though. This means not picking up rocks, kicking over logs, or touching animals. That way, both you and the animals can be happy and safe. By just spending time with Forrest today, you've also helped ravens. Learning more about wildlife is a great way to know how to help them. With a trusted adult, go to the library or use a computer to learn more about ravens and other animals in your area. You might be surprised by who your animal neighbors are.
Today, we talked all things raven. Forrest taught us about the lives of white-necked ravens and how clever they can be. We also learned about seemingly common animals and how we can help them and other wildlife through the actions that we take. Remember, ordinary animals can become extraordinary with a closer look. Now, on behalf of myself, Avian Behavior International, and the rest of us here at the Memphis Zoo, thank you so much for hanging out with us.